Now we are discussing about the photo OCR problem, optical character recognition. Whatever the letters that are appearing in this photo, we want to recognize. How to recognize these letters? See here, in this photo, not only the letters are there in this box, on the glass also some letters are there. Whatever the letters that are appearing in every corner, we have to recognize. For that, in this OCR, photo OCR problem, we are dividing this problem into three stages. One is, first we are detecting the text. Wherever the text is appearing, we are detecting that is first stage. In the second stage, in the text itself, we are segmenting every character, whatever may be the language. Because the text is in English language, I am segmenting according to A is one letter, N is one letter. I am segmenting every letter. Now, after the character segmentation, now I am classifying whether this is A or not, whether this is, what is this letter, N. This is how we recognize the text from the photo in the three stages. One is text. First, we are detecting the text. In the next step, we are segmenting each character, and after that, we are classifying. Even after classification, if my algorithm gives any error, if it interprets L as 1. Now the letter is CONEANING. Now we can, by using the spelling checking algorithm, we can detect it as cleaning. Instead of CONEANING, we will predict it as cleaning. This is how we detect the text from a given photo. So in this, first we are taking the image, and after that we are detecting the text from the image, and we are segmenting that, and we are recognizing the characters, whether the particular segmented character is A or B or C. For that, we are taking different modules. We are using different modules to be worked by if the different persons, then that process is called as a pipeline. So in machine learning, these complex blocks, we are taking it as a small module. This as one module, this as one module, this as one module. That's why this is called as photo OCR pipeline, where we use this photo OCR, optical character recognition. Whenever a blind person wants to read some text in front of him, so if we give a camera to his head, by using that camera, we can detect the text, and that text can be heard by the blind person. It is useful for him. And also, whenever we are designing autonomous cars or any autonomous vehicle, if that vehicle has to read some signboards on the board, then it is possible, by implementing a photo OCR, that a particular autonomous car can read whether we have to take a right turn or we have to take a left turn. This is how we use the photo OCR in the practical problems. We will discuss more about this in the next class.